guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a quick little unboxing. This is from QVC. We're doing like a little first aid beauty unboxing. That's what's in here, some first aid beauty products. So if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. So if you're new here, I have very dry skin. I have eczema on my hands, on my legs. It's fun on my arms. It's great. So for Christmas last year, I had picked up myself a First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I got myself like the jar of it. And then my advent calendar for this past Christmas, I got this little sample. And I've been like using it so sparingly because I didn't want to use it all up. So I was on QVC's app one night. Yes, I have their app. I have the QVC app, I know. I'm literally like a 50-year-old woman. But I was on their app one night and I saw that they had this really great deal for 5 products and it was like $29.99 or something. I'll leave a link for it down below if they still have it available because it is a really great deal. So first in the set, we have the Ultra Repair Cream, the original one, and the grapefruit one. So basically these two creams are almost the whole value of the box. One of these 2-ounce bottles is $12 on the Ulta website and on Amazon because I was going to buy them on Amazon or Ulta, but then I saw this on QVC. So I got 2 of them that came in the set. This is what I got last year for Christmas, the jars. It was the original and the grapefruit, and they both smell really, really nice. This one doesn't have a scent, but the grapefruit smells amazing. I loved the scent, and they both work amazing, so I'm really excited to have them back again. I don't know why I just don't get them in like November for Black Friday even, because I'm sure they have a great deal on Ulta's website or even their own website, but they're just lifesavers. I love them. The next product I am so excited to use, and it is their Ultra Repair Body Scrub. I am so excited to try this. Like I said, I have a skincare favorites video coming up, and I was talking about in the video how finding body scrubs for me is really, really hard because a lot of them have peanuts and nut shells, I think, in them. And it kind of freaks me out to use them because I'm just very nervous that I'm gonna have a reaction to it. And I've always wanted to try the Frank's body scrub, but this does not have any nuts in it, so I'm very excited to try this, and it sounds amazing. There is oatmeal in here and shea butter. And oatmeal is really good for dry skin. I used to take oatmeal baths when I was a kid because my skin would be so dry and irritated. This has been going on my whole entire life. And I think I saw coconut oil. Yeah, coconut oil in here. So there's like a lot of good stuff that helps with dry skin. So this I'm so excited for because I'm almost done with one of my body scrubs as well. So this came just in time. The next product is a mask that I'm also very excited to try, and it is their Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. Like I was just saying, oatmeal is really, really good for dry skin. I used to take oatmeal baths, so this oatmeal mask sounds really, really nice. You just have to apply it for 10 minutes and rinse it off and use 2 to 3 times a week for dry or distressed skin. So if I really like this, I'll definitely order a full size from somewhere because it sounds good. I have an oatmeal mask. It's like oatmeal and something else I got from CVS, and I'm not the biggest fan of it, so I'll let you guys know what I think of this. And the last product is their Ultra Repair Lip Therapy, and this helps repair your dry lips, and this is petroleum free. I'm very curious about this since it's petroleum free because I've been using Vaseline, which is petroleum jelly pretty much, forever, and for my lips, and I mean it helps, but I'm just curious because this is petroleum free, so I'm just like really interested to see how this goes. And you just have to apply this as needed, obviously. I'm going to probably try this after I finish up my Patchology chapstick that I have in my bag because that's almost done, and I'm almost done with my Nivea one too. But this sounds really good too. I don't know if it has like a scent or anything because there's this annoying sticker and I can't do anything with my nails lately. I don't know why. Oh, I like the applicator. It's like a nice applicator. No, there's no scent, but it kind of looks like Vaseline in a way. I'm very excited to try these 3 products, the lip therapy, the body scrub, and the oatmeal mask because I have never tried them before. And I love the Ultra Repair creams. If you have really dry skin, eczema, anything, buy these. It is so worth the money. I'll definitely do a review for you guys if you want on like all the products in this little set. If you want to hear my thoughts, or if I should just do them on Instagram, let me know. I'll do either one. And that is it for this little first aid beauty haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. Those are always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!